In another monumental day for cryptocurrency adoption, Ethereum ETFs are here with a massive $1 billion worth of inflows in the first 24 hours. Well, the question everyone's asking is, why is the price not skyrocketing? And what does it now mean for everyone holding Ethereum and being an investor in cryptocurrency? Well, guess what? We're going to talk about it all in this video. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get this one on the way. So as always, everybody, welcome back to the channel. First question, drop your price prediction for Ethereum by the end of this week in the comments. Let's see who can get nearest to that dollar value. But like I said, a big day for not only cryptocurrency investors, but Ethereum holders and adoption of crypto. Ethereum ETFs debut and are launched today with over $1 billion in trading volume. Now, you may be starstruck and you think, wow, what a big number. Why have we not seen Ethereum heading on to 1,000, Bitcoin pushing 70K? We actually see that Grayscale Ethereum Trust does dominate with over $458 million in trades. Now, don't forget, there are two separate Grayscale Trust. We have the conversion, which had a significant amount of Ethereum, which, guess what, in typical Grayscale fashion has been selling, and they have a mini, which has been buying. BlackRock coming in with about $300 million as well. So significant volumes coming through, and you can see here the actual breakdown of where they said. So you can see there, look, BlackRock on 250 million, the big Grayscale conversion at 458 million, as well as Fidelity, Bitwise, and many others, all coming in at $1.083 billion in the first 24 hours of trading. So fantastic adoption. Once again, the Ethereum ETFs aligned to the Bitcoin ETFs really starting to make a move. But the question, like we said, everyone's saying, well, 2-bit, what's happened? Why is the market not pumping? Well, let me show you something. And this is really important to reference. You got to understand that cryptocurrency is driven by news. Lots of people are lazy when it comes to deciding what to do, whether they trade, whether they hold. And I just want to show this to you. So this dotted line here, Thursday, the 11th of January, should be a date that's etched in your mind, which was the launch of the Bitcoin the Bitcoin ETFs. Now, what you can see here is we actually got a pretty bad day on the launch, followed by another push down. And actually, we saw this move down over the course of about 11 days to the local bottom of around 38,600. Now, here is the important bit for all of you guys that want to see the market push. What happened after that? Well, we saw this rally from the bottom here all the way up to where we hit the all-time highs. So look, this is important to understand. Is Ethereum going to $4,500 today? No, it's simply not going to happen. And actually what you've got was a lot of volatility in the market. However, what you've now got is the opportunity for institutions, whether that be large companies, corporate companies, financial bodies, and everything else, to get involved in this space. Equally, don't forget, the less you put into an Ethereum ETF, the higher the price. The market cap is significantly less than Bitcoin, so expect some pretty strong volatility. We're already now seeing companies like Toyota wanting to use Ethereum to secure their car accounts. So already you've got potentially huge companies looking to leverage these Ethereum ETFs and support global adoption and, more importantly, their asset under management in terms of their product and their company. So this is, again, big news. We also know that 21 Shares, they were a big one. Their CEO actually giving a really good breakdown of why we didn't see this market move. Again, we've talked a little bit about it, but what is also good, and Henry Washwan appeared on Bloomberg Crypto Talk, Sonali Basak, and Tim Sarvanek about the Ethereum price action on the day. The 9 US listed spot Ethereum ETFs started trading, but Ethereum US use cases and potential for future integration of staking rewards into these ETFs. So actually people understanding what that narrative is, they unlock a completely different avenue when it comes to revenue streams that Bitcoin simply doesn't have. So this is why I personally am super bullish on these ETFs. To hit $1 billion in the first 24 hours of trading is fantastic. And like we said, there is a definite upside potential coming very soon as we see further adoption, institutional investors, people looking to leverage the success, don't forget, of those Bitcoin ETFs. Remember, they went live. The price was around $42,000 for a Bitcoin. We're now at 66K. But there is also other news going on behind the scenes. And again, we thought Bitcoin would rally. We actually thought the altcoin market might have a push. But we actually saw the first day of outflows of Mt. Gox creditors beginning to withdraw on Bitcoin and sell. That's just the reality. We knew it was coming. It's another event that we just have to weather the storm. The difference here is we are seeing institutions buying on the back of it. So, rip the band-aid off, sell your Bitcoin from Mt. Gox, and let's all move on. We do know that Bitcoin inflows, however, were again very strong on parts of those ETFs. So what we can say right now, those ETF products are doing very well. And more importantly, I think this is only the beginning. Next up, maybe a Solana ETF, XRP ETF, who knows? Right now, they're focusing on Ethereum ETFs, Bitcoin ETFs, and a potential push that I think is coming very soon up to 72K. Don't forget, we talked on my live stream, we're looking for that monthly close above 72,000. Does give us the index and the potential to start our rally, our parabolic run that we talked about on my live stream. If you want to join that, 4 p.m. Eastern every day right here on YouTube. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel. So taking a look at the price action right now, Bitcoin just under the 618 Fibonacci. We'll see how that plays out. But Ethereum, given the Bitcoin cool off, 2.5% down on the day, for Ethereum to be at 0.7% up is a good indicator. I'd like to see it just push above that 34.77 range, holding the 0.5 Fibonacci on the close. We've got about an hour and 25 minutes left. That would be a preferred place for us to sit just above this 0.5 Fibonacci with a then push to the 618 at 3627. Don't forget, 3842 is where we're looking to get those retests of that high price point. So lots of positive news coming with Ethereum. First day in the bag, $1 billion of trading volume is fantastic. But I do think there is just a little bit of choppy waters as we got with Bitcoin. And then, well, is it 10,000 Ethereum on the cards? I sure hope so. Let me know what you think though in the comments. Don't forget, drop your price predictions for the end of the week in the comments. As always, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget, if you enjoyed the content, hit the like and subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.